Let us welcome the stakeholders in education, PTA officials, DepEd officials, and the faculties of Zutukan 9 High School. the red carpet for the completers of Batch 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of colors.
Ma'am, ang pambansang beaker.
Let us show our deference by standing still for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem with Mrs. Nilda Villamor conducting.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Three.
To bless this momentous occasion, let us seek divine intervention. Let's have the selected grade 9 students for their doxology. Please be seated. Kind words may be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless. To give us the welcome address, may I call on Rina G. Adaza with honors. A round of applause, please.
To our distinguished guest, Mrs. Miracle J. Carriente, Education Supervisor in Araling Panlipunan, together with the Deputy Charles, Ms. Mercedeta Sumalino, District 6 Supervisor, our school administrators headed by Mrs. Purificacion and Peñalosa, our dynamic teachers and staff, barangay officials, dear parents, fellow candidates for completion, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. We are filled with excitement and expectations as the next stage of our lives approaches. This moving up ceremony we have today marks as a portal of a new beginning. We are now headed to a new path, but we would not have made it to this point without the grace of God and the help of our parents, our guardians, as well as our teachers who have been there for us from the start, guiding, helping, and watching us grow into responsible young adults. Junior high school has been a wonderful journey that has prepared us for the future, whatever it may hold. This past 4 years have involved some of the most meaningful and memorable moments in our lives. Our experiences here are extraordinary, especially that we've gone through the state of pandemic, which enabled us to continue our education through distant learning modalities. Yes, we faced the challenges, but together we emerged victorious. We shared a common bond as members of batch 2021 to 2022. Since it is the end of this education, it brings us mixture of joy and pain. For reaching our goals and pain for saying farewell to the people who have become part in our life. Classmates, we are about to pursue senior high school. We must do our best and enjoy our journey as well. May the years to come be all of us and it with success. Dear parents, honored guests, on behalf of the graduating class, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to witness this year's moving up ceremony of Suntungan High School batch 2021 to 2022. Thank you.
Thank you, Bina. And now, the most significant moment in every graduation ceremony has come. May we call on Mrs. Purificacion Peñalosa, our school head, for the presentation of candidates. This is to be followed by the acceptance, confirmation, and distribution of certificates. On behalf of the school's division superintendent, Wilfreda D. Bongalos, PhD CESO 5, let us welcome Mrs. Marigold J. Cardente, EPS in Araling Panlipunan, to carry out the graduation rites.
Ma'am Cardente, I have the honor to present to you the 164 completers of Suntungan Night High School, wherein 84 are males and 80 are females. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements for the basic education curriculum for junior high school. Ma'am Cardente.
By virtue of the authority delegated to me by the school's division superintendent of the division of Lapu-Lapu City, Dr. Wilfreda D. Bongalos, and with the facts and figures presented to me by your school principal, Mrs. Purificacion Peñalosa of Suntungan Night High School, and with the assurance that these students have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements for the junior high school as prescribed for the secondary schools of the Department of Education. I hereby accept and confirm your completion in the junior high school for school year 2021-2022. You are now eligible to move up for transfer and admission to any public or private secondary schools offering senior high school under the Department of Education, Republic of the Philippines. Congratulations, graduates!
Please be seated. At this juncture, dear completers, the merit you have been waiting for has finally come. You will now receive your certificates and academic awards of your success. Requesting the parents of the honor students to please accompany them.
Are the parents happy this afternoon? No, ako pinigas to mamay. Kasi pagwapo mo mga anak na po kay gasto labo ng make-up. Na? Okay, before, na, ingatong yung siganan to elaborate the importance of education. Before I elaborate the importance of education, my high respect first to the school administration, headed by the school principal, Mrs. Purificacion Piñalosa. District 6, headed by your active and very dynamic district supervisor, Mrs. Mercedita Sumalino. My high respect also to the ever-supportive Parents-Teacher Association, headed, naglibog ko siya nga, kay murag lalaki, no? Ako sa tanaw na kong kopya. Mrs. Binji Tueco. Babae ni lalaki, di babae ako nakita, nga murag lalaki. Okay. My high respect to the guests, no? Kanang mga di na nato manganlan ang mga ngan, no? To the teachers, to the parents, and especially to the graduates. Again, good afternoon. Today is really a remarkable day to all the completers of grade 10 of Suntungan Night High School. So, mo na yung nga sa eskwelahan, no? Singan sa inyong eskwelahan? Very good. No? Suntungan Night High School. You are now awarded with your certificate of completion, meaning that you are eligible to transfer to the next higher education. Your journey as a junior high school student ends today. But your journey for the next level begins to this coming August 24 during the opening of our school year 2022-2023. My dear graduates or completers, why is it education is very important? Tubag. Because. Again, why is it education is very important? Nag-iibog pa sila, no? Murag mo ni resulta nga ang mag-answer sa module ang mama. No, murag karon ang complete room adlaw ang mama. My dear learners, my dear completers, why is it education very important to you? Because it is the only treasure your parents can give you that nobody can steal it from you. Tinuod dili. Kung naa kay gihuptan nga diploma, ikaw nakahuman ang tanang nindot nga oportunidad sa kinabuhi imong mamahimong sudlan. Kung naa kay diploma, makapangita kag trabaho. Kay even helpers nga dagko og sweldo, pangitaan yun, are you a graduate sa high school? If you're going to apply in the different factories in our maps, ignon din ka, are you a high school graduate? Or are you a senior high school graduate? Inana ka-importante ang diploma. One big example why is it education is very important. We have plenty of students who already working abroad as caregiver, as house helper, but they cannot be promoted because they lack the what we call certificate, qualification, educational qualification. That's why some of them, they're enrolling in the alternative learning system of our education. Education will not end today. No, bisan pa mo graduate mo high school, bisan makakupot na mo diploma nga kamo abogado na, kamo maestra. But every day is an opportunity to learn. Education is a continuous process. No? My challenge to all the completers today, there are only 3 things that we can do to make a successful individual someday. Tulo ra kabutang ang atong yung pirming hinumduman. Number 1, always trust to God, no? Oh, kinsa gyud permiro permi? Oh. Can you give your loudest clap to our Almighty God for blessing you today to complete your graduation? Okay, thank you. Next, no? Mo ni siya Yahweh nga magmalambuon ka. No? Ikaduha ni siya pinaka-importante. Always love and respect your parents. Tinoo dili? Can you shout out loud, say, thank you, Mama and Papa. I love you, Mama and Papa. Okay, give your loudest clap to them too. Ako yun balikan si love your and respect your parents. Kay mind you, my dear completers, ang trend niya karon no? Kamu? Mga gahi na kayo mong Tinoo dili. Bigin sa mga kuno diri. Awag yun nagpapadlong ni Mama. Ha? Nga ikawag ni Mama, ni Barog dayon, kay nisugot din sa sugo. Ha? Kinsa man diri, igmata buntag sa sayo, di una ang pagtabang ni Mama ag Papa, dili ang pagkupot sa cellphone. Ay kung ilada dots. No? This is my this is worth reflecting, my dear completers. Uso na karon sa mga batan-on. Mas taas og panahon pag-atubang sa cellphone, sigkay-kay ni ML, ni Messenger, ni Facebook, ni Instagram, ug unsa pa na niya ni Twitter. Ang mga babae sunod sa mga Korean novela ni BTS o kinsa pa na dahil kanang S. No? Ang mga laki nagsige na lang TikTok. Labaw ng mga babae, sige lang TikTok, no? Magsuloob ay alang sa linang kuwang sa sukod. Ipakita ang pusod. Tungod na busy na aning mga butanga sa social media, din-a kamao, maminaw ni Papa o Mama. No? If you have your parents today supporting you to finish your grade 10 education, you are very fortunate. There are learners who don't have parents. Plenty of children who are abandoned by their parents. No? Inana ka-importante si Mama at Papa. And mind you, 5 to 10 years from now, I know, you will become also a parent like your Mama and Papa. No? Remember, to become successful, love God, praise God. Number 2, love and number 3, ketulo, dream and perseverance. Do not stop dreaming. No? Damguhan na karon kung unsay imong gusto sa umaabot. Ayaw pagdamgo nga maminyo na ka dito sa imong crush nga silingan ninyo. Ayay. Ayaw pong isulti gamay, ma'am. No? Ayaw siguna-huna nga matapos na imong kinabuhi kay wa kasugtas imong gipanguyaban, boys. Kundili, damguha, unsay imong gusto sa umaabot. No, nya kung magdamgo ta, kuyugan ginato sa gitawag hard work and perseverance. And when you go out from this institution and become successful, always remember, always do what is pleasing to the eyes of our God. Number 2, always do what is good for our country. And number 3, always do what can make your mama proud of you. No? If you do all these things, reflect all those things, and strive hard to all these things, it is easy to do. Kung atog yung unang atog yung buhaton, pero lisod kaayo buhaton, kung ang inyong huna-huna, permi lang naglatagaw. No? Starting tomorrow, matag sa iyo, tabagis mamagpapa sa trabaho, then you can feel how your parents work hard for you. No? O, ikulis inyo. So, ayi, kasi mamagpapa, maglingkod na yun, yung hilot-hiluton. Inyong luto as pagkaon, paypayan. O, magstorya yun mo. E kung ba't yan ninyo, nagsila magstorya sa inyong cellphone, di sa inyong ginikanan. No? Go out from this institution. No? Be somebody to make your parents proud. No? To the parents, thank you for being supportive to your children. Thank you very much. No? For your all sacrifices. No? Devoted to your children. E kita biyang mga ginikanan, no? Bisagwan na gintay makuot sa tubulsa. Na ato lang yung pagpuksok pagkuot. E para ginatayhatag sa itong mga anak, no? Mo na utang diri, utang dito, loan diri, loan doon. Oh, tanang loan, purlo na lagi sulan. No? That's how a parent, my dear learners, they will do everything they can to provide for you. That's why they deserve your love and respect. No? Sa tanang maginikanan, dagang salamat. My wish for all of you that you will be blessed enough by God so that you will be abundantly with love and everything in life so that you can continue support your children. To the teachers of Santungga Night High School, thank you very much for the hard work, sacrifice, and also the patient. Kay kabawagin ko, unsa mo kahago during the pandemic, no? During the implementation of our new normal education. Thank you very much, no? To the parents and to everyone who made this day possible for our completers. God bless you all and good afternoon.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that moving message. Indeed, excellence is the unlimited ability to improve the quality of what you have to offer. At this point, let us be all ears to no less than the batch honors herself, as she encapsulates everything high school has to offer. A big hand for Jacqueline A. Albizo for her words of gratitude.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our education program supervisor in Araling Panlipunan, Mrs. Marigold Cardiente, our District 6 supervisor, Ms. Mercedita Sumalino, together with the deputy officials, our beloved principal, Mrs. Pervecacion and Peñalosa, PTA officials, teachers, parents, fellow completers, ladies and gentlemen, a wonderful day to all of us. The most awaited moment in our junior high school journey has finally come. This day marks a significant event in our lives as completers, and it is a great honor to represent this batch of 2021 to 2022. In this state of health crisis, COVID-19 pandemic, many things have been affected and changed, and one of them is our way of education. We've been learning through modular and online modalities for the past 2 years until now. Although it was definitely new and difficult for us, we still persevered to learn, and now we finally reached the final stage of our junior high school journey. Nonetheless, this pressing situation cannot stop us from letting this special and memorable event to happen, because we can always find ways and means in realizing this. To my dear classmates, indeed, we've been through a lot in our studies, but in the end, the fruit of our hard works are valued and given more. Don't ever let yourself be affected and pulled down. So keep trying until you make it. In the reality of life, sometimes we cannot avoid mistakes and failures. The feeling of losing hope and giving up is not the first solution nor an option. Rather, study harder and always do your best. Since there are many chances for you to improve yourself. Think of the brighter side of your life and you will realize that you are not alone and you are blessed. Then you will end up happy and motivated to do good things. If you want to achieve your dreams, don't just keep on dreaming. Do the real thing in order to make your dreams come true. Always trust and believe in yourself. Don't let people put you down. Always be confident in your own unique ways. Just remember that there are more people who are cheering you up more than those who put you down. To our dear parents, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks and gratitude for your sacrifices and all-out support financially, spiritually, emotionally, and morally. We also thank to our heroes, our dear teachers. We owe you a lot as you molded us with desirable values and filled us with great knowledge. You made us better individuals. To our dear alma mater, Suntungan Night High School, thank you for serving as our educational shelter for a number of years. The lessons we have learned are absolutely incomparable. Above all, we also thanks to our Almighty God for the blessings and guidance as we go on for the fulfillment of our dreams. Fellow completers, it is true that today we realize a dream, but this is not the end. Rather, it is only the beginning of our greater challenges and trials of our educational life. Good luck to our next journey, which is senior high school. Lastly, always remember that education is not a limited endeavor, but a limitless field of struggles and sacrifices. Thanks to all, good luck, keep safe, and congratulations to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Jacqueline, for your delightful message. Now may I call on Jean Joyce A. Taata with honors to lead the completers in their pledge of loyalty.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Pledge of loyalty. We, graduating class of 2021-2022, do solemnly swear to uphold the honor of my alma mater, the Suntungan Night High School. I vow to cherish the dignity of labor and to do faithfully all my duties with industry, perseverance, and honesty. I vow to cherish all the skills, knowledge, and abilities which I have acquired for the betterment of myself, for the welfare of my family, and for the service of my country. So help me God.
Please be seated. At this juncture, may I call Dr. Maria Victoria I. Montilla, our master teacher, for the closing remarks.
Thank you, Ma'am Tordosa. Good afternoon. And mabuhay to all of us. Good day to everyone. Ultimately, education in its real sense is the pursuit of truth. It is an endless journey through knowledge and enlightenment. Today is an exciting opportunity for all of you, especially to the completers, as well as we will include the honor students in the lower grade level. So we are not going to be sad, but to be happy that you are now to start a new chapter in your career that you need to face on for a better tomorrow. Even though we had met the COVID-19 pandemic, thanks God, we still survived until now. To the parents, guardians, congratulations! You are now happy that your kids are successfully finished the junior high school, and to those who are honor students. To our beloved students, thank you for all the good times and the great memories we have started and we have shared. And most important, thanks for being so cooperative and sincere to all your teachers and your alma mater. We are going to miss you all. We hope you will continue doing good. And we have only one thing to say. Do well in life and stay connected to your goals. Always ask God's help. And wishing you all also a new journey full of happiness, thrills, adventures as you begin to a new career in life. We hope you will get comfortable in the new place really soon. We hate to say goodbye, but we are glad that it is not the final one as we will be seeing you around. Your separation from us is just temporary. We will meet soon with our own venture. All the best and happy farewell from Suntunga Night High School faculty and from our beloved school principal, Ma'am Ora Peñalosa. Keep this message in your mind and check it whenever you miss us all. We all love you and there for you. Congratulations and best wishes for your next adventure. We are so happy, very proud of your all, of you. With love and pride, today and always. Once again, congratulations and mabuhay.
Thank you, ma'am. In every memorable moments of one's life, there are always songs that will embody incurred emotions. With a round of applause, let us welcome the completers for their Moving Up song. This moving up ceremony has truly been noteworthy for everyone here. This ceremony is indeed a time of completion, of finishing, of an ending. However, it is also a time of celebration of achievement and most importantly, a beginning for the new completers. This has been your host, Miss Gail Torregosa, saying, take pride in how far you've gone. Have faith in how far you can go. But don't forget to enjoy the journey. Congratulations, completers! Ladies and gentlemen, the recessional! Announcement, graduates, you can stay and take pictures if you want. Saison Marvin A. with honors. Malagor Nea Gale S. with honors. And Solidly the second, Romar O. with honors.
Ano may nagpicture?
Grayson Diamond, Mr. Jingo Lero.
It is my pride and honor to present to you the completers of Drayton Diamond, Andon John Gregory P. Priscilla Short, Piquen P. Cordova Julito B. Empresa Jairil. Himar Justine S. Artista Tumalino yan Margot Cardiente to give the certificate to all completers. Lumangay John Paul A. Modern Sean Luigi D. Navarro Mas Andre. Ochea Joshua Paul D. Pansoy Tal Dave E. Tayak Focus L. Paula Giovanni S. Coral River B. Kinyo L. Daniel Y. Revilla John Mark C. Sir Thomas Neil Jordan Y. Talito John Lloyd O. Kapila Gian C. Tumag Najib M. Villahermosa INJ C. Jago Lester L. Adasa Vina G. Alvisa Jacqueline A. Dihito Blue Up L. Estelore Jean Go. Malagar Neangay S. Manayaga Alexa Nicole O. Mencera Altea Marie. Morales Ethel B. Moratalia Shinabe D. Rosor Nasima Haji Ibrahim. Obrador Altea Marie G. Pamatungan Agame A. Pagalingon kay Leslie M. Tugoy Jessamine M. Putat Apple Joy B. Ruta Frances Del Irony M. Veles Jelan Marie S.
Congratulations, grade 10 diamond completers. Now for grade 10 honors. May Abad Hex Alexis O. Amistoso Winnie O. Bacos Stoli G. Balaba Michael R. Katja Axel Guy I.
Roxanne and Liana. Christian and Celine. Nika Marcel P. Barros. Laika J. Cueco with honors. Queen Anne de los Santos Moromo with honors. Kathleen M. Portillo with honors. And Nina Jean D. Adelia with honors. Congratulations, grade 7 with honors students. Grade 8 with honors. Grade 8 awardees. With honor. Iloso Erica May P. With honors. Kaputanan Jonetta Giselle O. With honors, Manayasa Zaira O. With honors, Tapo Princess. With honors, Tumoso Rain P. With honor, Baron Ninian May P. With honors, Tubalado Julia Frances E.F. With honors,
Parlong sa daw camera. Parang sa camera bro. Okay. Get ready, Onyx. Line according to your height. In the count of 1 to 10. Ready? 1. Okay. Great time, Diamond. You can proceed now to the game. Uy, mag-picture ka. Mag-tapil. Tapil ba? Uy. Wala sa inyo kuan. Ang tutit ko ay napa si Sir Jingle de picture. Balik sa damo sa inyong lingkuranan. Balik sa inyong lingkuranan, Diamond. Okay, Pastor, grade 10 ang next. Dali na dayon. Posisyon, Pastor, dali. Okay, lingkod. At bang lingkod? Bra, kawasan ng camera. Gusto nga, bra, para clean daw. Oh, sige, okay na na, bra. Oh, girls, saka, kamang na. Pastor, kayo, butong ba yun? Ayos na.
Big.
Sige. Ang snacks, it's 7, lagi ng room. Ang uban rin sa likod, dali sa front, sige. Ang mga mupo sa front, ang uban na din sa likod. Di dito. Pagsunti po, bra. Sige. Ito sa luyo, ang uban.
faces down.
freshman.